And today is like Tuesday again. So that was like more than a week from. Yeah. So I'm here trying to finish my edits and watching YouTube right now. So yeah, I'm trying to. I've released the travel video, but I don't see any views. So that's it. I don't really care partially. I just want to get it out. But yeah, it's kind of late in the morning. It's like 3:30 a.m. and I need to go to bed. But yeah, just finished one set. I'm gonna be finishing more soon. Have a lot of paperwork to do and a lot of things to do. So yeah, it's really getting me down. Also, I can feel the stress. I can feel the everything. Anyway, let's just go through with it. Fine. Anyway, yeah, just an update for today. Passing by. So processing is like shit. There's a lot of things to do. A lot of things to do. Yeah, a lot of things to do. Also, gotta fix the white balance. I'm not gonna fix the white balance in post, maybe, but this is how it should look. This is the correct white balance, I think. I might be wrong.